We'll guide you through how to see what Instagram Reels your friends have liked. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So if you didn't know, you can actually go and see the Instagram Reels your friends have liked. So we're going to guide you through how you can do this, and you can go and scroll through them, and it can be quite interesting to go and see, as perhaps you have friends on Instagram that have a similar taste to you. And a friend, by the way, is somebody you follow and they follow you back. So to go and get started with this, what you need to do is go to Reels on Instagram. So we'll go and press that at the bottom. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is go to the top right of Instagram, and there you're going to go and see friends. So what we'll do is go and tap on friends like this, and then you can go and start seeing them here. And in the bottom left, you're going to see a floating icon, and that is the person who went and liked the reel. You can go and click on it to go and see it, and you can keep scrolling down and see more. That's it.